What marks the dawn of civilization? A. When man started farming. B. When man discovered fire. C. When man began to live in a settled life. D. When man invented the wheel. The correct answer is C. When man began to live in a settled life. Who was a key figure in the Swiss Reformation mentioned in the text? A. Johann Tetzel. B. Martin Luther. C. John Wycliffe. D. Ulrich Zwingli. The correct answer is D. Ulrich Zwingli. Which region is marked as PALLAVAS? A. Southern India. B. Eastern India. C. Central India. D. Northern India. The correct answer is A. Southern India. Which of the following was a reason listed for classifying the period as Bronze Age? A. Development of complex irrigation systems. B. Well-conceived town planning. C. Extensive use of gold. D. Advanced weaving techniques. The correct answer is B. Well-conceived town planning. Which act first introduced the idea of competition for recruitment? A. Charter Act, 1853. B. Charter Act, 1806. C. Charter Act, 1813. D. Charter Act, 1833. The correct answer is D. Charter Act, 1833. In which district are megalithic dolmens found at Narsingampatti? A. Madurai. B. Virudhunagar. C. Shivganga. D. Karur. The correct answer is A. Madurai. What is the subject of one of the PowerPoint presentations mentioned? A. Future technological advancements. B. The origin of human life. C. Contemporary political systems. D. Modern art techniques. The correct answer is B. The origin of human life. What was the name for the morning market in Madurai? A. Nalangadi. B. Puhar Bazaars. C. Alangadi. D. Madura Mandi. The correct answer is A. Nalangadi. What were the peasants forced to grow? A. Tea. B. Cotton. C. Indigo. D. Opium. The correct answer is C. Indigo. Besides Bactria, which other regions Greek rulers encroached on northwestern India? A. Persia. B. China. C. Parthia. D. Egypt. The correct answer is C. Parthia. According to Confucius, what is regulated once family life is regulated? A. International relations. B. Personal happiness. C. Economic prosperity. D. National life. The correct answer is D. National life. What was the Justice Party renamed in 1944? A. Kula Kalvi. B. Madras State Party. C. Self-Respect Movement. D. Dravidar Kazhagam. The correct answer is D. Dravidar Kazhagam. What was one consequence for Jews regarding their citizenship under Nazi policy? A. Their citizenship was enhanced. B. They were deprived of citizenship. C. They were granted dual citizenship. D. Their citizenship was made conditional. The correct answer is B. They were deprived of citizenship. In which region was Vikramshila University established? A. Uttar Pradesh. B. Bihar. C. Odisha. D. Bengal. The correct answer is D. Bengal. What term describes the impact on urban centers due to changes in trade networks? A. Urbanization. B. Suburbanization. C. Reurbanization. D. Deurbanization. The correct answer is D. Deurbanization. What year did the Lend-Lease program begin? A. 1945. Born in 1939. Circa 1941. D. 1943. The correct answer is circa 1941. What was the status of North Vietnam according to the March Agreement between the French and Viet Minh? A. A communist state. B. An independent nation. C. A French protectorate. D. A free state within an Indo-Chinese federation. The correct answer is D. A free state within an Indo-Chinese federation. In which century were the three Carnatic wars fought? A. 18th century. B. 20th century. C. 17th century. D. 19th century. The correct answer is A. 18th century. Who were some of the poets and artists who adorned Harsha's royal court? A. Banbhatta, Mayura, Hardatta, Jaisena. B. Chanakya, Aryabhatta, Varhamihira. C. Kalidasa, Banbhatta, Jaydev. D. Tulsidas, Surdas, Mirabai. The correct answer is A. Banbhatta, Mayura, Hardatta, Jaisena. What sustained Sanskrit during its period of decline? A. Support from merchants. B. Support from rulers of Hindu kingdoms. C. Support from foreign invaders. D. Support from common people. The correct answer is B. Support from rulers of Hindu kingdoms. How long did Humayun rule after his initial accession? A. 20 years. B. 15 years. C. 5 years. D. 10 years. The correct answer is D. 10 years. In the Jatak stories, how are the previous lives of Buddha depicted? A. As humans and as animals. B. Only as human beings. C. Only as animals. D. As divine beings. The correct answer is A. As humans and as animals. Which battle determined the fortunes of the war in favor of the Allies? A. Battle of Tannenberg. B. Battle of Marne. C. Battle of East Prussia. D. Battle of Verdun. The correct answer is D. Battle of Verdun. What organization represents the world's Palestinians, including those who lived in mandated Palestine before 1948? A. Palestine Liberation Organization, PLO. B. Hamas. C. Palestinian Authority. D. Arab League. The correct answer is A. Palestine Liberation Organization, PLO. What city-states were central to the surge of interest in classical literature and art? A. Roman city-states. B. Italian city-states. C. Constantinople. D. Greek city-states. The correct answer is B. Italian city-states. Pumppuhar is listed as a famous town in which historical context? A. Harappan civilization. B. Ancient India. C. Ancient China. D. Ancient Tamilgam. The correct answer is D. Ancient Tamilgam. In which districts of Tamil Nadu are lower Paleolithic tools found? A. North Arcot and Dharmpuri. B. Chennai and Kanchipuram. C. Coimbatore and Salem. D. Madurai and Tiruchirappalli. The correct answer is A. North Erkot and Dharmpuri. What was completed in 1869 to transport people, raw materials, and products? A. The first transcontinental railroad. B. The first commercial airline route. C. The first telegraph line. D. The first national highway system. The correct answer is A. The first transcontinental railroad. What type of statement is presented regarding the suppression of the 1857 revolt? A. A hypothesis. B. An opinion. C. An assertion. D. A factual statement. The correct answer is C. An assertion. When did Hitler attempt to capture power in Bavaria? A. 1925. Born in 1923. Circa 1924. D. 1922. The correct answer is born in 1923. How did you score?